discussing the navigating landscape of cybersecurity compliance. So, navigating cybersecurity compliance is a critical aspect of modern business operations. It ensures organizations adhere to industry standards and regulation to protect a sensitive data and mitigate risk. It involves adhering to laws and regulation and standards. It's designed to protect the digital information and infrastructure from the cyber threats. It is required to organization to implement and maintain a specific security controls, conduct regular audits, and ensure employees are trained on the security best practices. Failure to comply can result in legal penalties, financial losses, and damage to reputation. This is a cybersecurity compliance need to given a standards that will be to protect a security threats or any kind of threat maybe can be a regulation that they need to submit. Next is understanding compliance frameworks. Let's explore the most widely adopted compliance frameworks such as a HIPAA, PCI DSS, and GDPR. Learn how this framework help organizations maintain security and privacy standards. It means recognizing the need to align an organization security practices with a legal and regulatory requirements it involves is a comprehending the specific standards and frameworks applicable to the organization such as a GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO/EIC 27001, and ensuring all the measures are in place to meet these guidelines. This process is not only safeguard sensitive data but also help avoid legal penalties and enhances organization credibility. Next is assessing organizational risk. Conduct comprehensive risk assessment to identify and potential vulnerabilities and threats within your organization. This crucial step help to develop an effective compliance strategy. It involves identifying potential threats and vulnerabilities that could compromise the organization's digital aspects. This process includes evaluating the likelihood and impact of various cyber attacks, such as data breaches, malware, and insider threats. By understanding this risk, organizations can prioritize their security efforts, allocate the resources and effectively, and implement appropriate mitigation strategies to protect their information systems. Next is implementing compliance control. Implementing and technical and administrative controls to ensure your organization meet the requirements of relevant compliance framework. Continuous monitoring review are essential. It involves establishing specific policies, procedures, and technologies to meet a regulatory and legal requirements. This is also process includes setting up access controls, encryption, and monitoring system to protect sensitive data and ensure the proper security practices. Regular audits and continuous monitoring are essential to maintain the compliance and address any gaps or vulnerabilities in security infrastructure. Next is fostering a compliance culture. Cultivate a culture of compliance within organization by providing employee training, implementing and clear policies, and encouraging a proactive approach to security and privacy. It involves a promoting an organizational mindset where adherence to security regulation and best practices a shared responsibility. This requires continuous education for and training for employees, clear communication of policies and leadership to support to emphasize the importance of compliance. By encouraging a proactive approach, the security organization can build a resilient and secure environment that mitigates risks and ensure the regulatory adherence. Next is leveraging compliance and technology. Utilize compliance management software and automation tools to streamline a compliance process, reduce a manual effort, enhance the overall effectiveness of your compliance program. It involves utilizing advanced tools and software to automate and streamline adherence to regulatory requirements. This technology can help monitor, detect and report compliance-related issues in a real time, reducing the risk, human error, and ensuring the continuous protection. By integrating the technology, or the organization can enhance their security posture, improve the efficiency, and maintain up-to-date compliance with evolving regulations. Next is addressing supply chain risk. Evaluate the compliance posture of your supply chain partners to ensure they meet the security and privacy standard as your organization. Implement robust third-party risk management practice. It requires identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities that suppliers and third-party partners may introduce into the organization network. This involves a conducting through risk assessment, establishing stringent security requirements for vendors, and continuously monitoring their compliance. By implementing these measures, organization can reduce the potential supply chain related cyber threats and ensure the overall security of their digital ecosystems. Next is maintaining compliance and resilience. Develop a comprehensive incident response plan to effectively manage and mitigate the impact of security breaches and compliance violation. Continuous improvement is crucial. It is involved continuously adapting to evolving regulation and emerging threats. This requires regular audits, updating security protocols, and ensuring that employees are consistently trained on the latest compliance requirements. By proactively managing compliance, organization can sustain a robust security posture and swiftly respond to any regulatory changes of the or cyber threats. Next is navigating compliance and challenges in cybersecurity. Recognize and address the common compliance challenges such as a budget constraint, evolving regulation, and the complexity of managing multiple frameworks simultaneously. It requires understanding and keeping up with the constantly evolving regulatory landscape. Organization must implement flexible and adaptive security frameworks that can accommodate a new requirements and addresses potential gaps. Effective communication continues. Education and leveraging technology are essential to overcoming these challenges, ensuring a sustained compliance. Next is staying ahead of compliance trends. Monitor emerging compliance trends and best practices to ensure your organization remains proactive and adapt to and adapt and adaptable in ever-changing security landscape. So it involves proactive monitoring challenge changes in regulation, emerging threats, and technological advancement Organizations should regularly review and update their compliance strategies to align with the latest standards and best practices. Emerging or engaging with the security industry expert, participating in a relevant forums, and investing in advanced tools and can help participate and adapt to evolving compliance requirements effectively. Next is conclusion of mastering cybersecurity compliance. By understanding the key principle of cybersecurity compliance, organization can effectively navigate the complex of landscape, mitigate risk, and the robust, maintain a trust of their stakeholders. It involves a comprehensive approach, integrates the understanding regulatory requirements, implementing effective security controls, and continuously adapting a new challenges by fostering a culture of compliance, leveraging advanced and technology, and maintaining the vigilance and in monitoring and updating practices. Organization can safeguard their digital assets and mitigate risk, ultimately achieving in, master in the cybersecurity compliance ensures both legal adherence and robust defense against evolving cyber threats. Thank you. Thanks for your listening. I hope I'll be discussing for employee for safety on cybersecurity essential. So thank you for listening.